Sunny day in the jungle, a naughty monkey named Momo loved to make everyone laugh. Momo jumped from tree to tree, shouting, ha ha ha, I'm the funniest in the jungle. Nearby, a big lion named Leo was trying to sleep.
Please be quiet.
Leo said, I'm tired, but Momo had an idea. He grabbed a feather and slowly crept toward Leo. Let's make the king laugh, he whispered. He tickled Leo's nose with the feather. Leo sneezed so loudly that birds flew away, trees shook, and Momo fell down laughing. That was the biggest sneeze ever. Momo giggled, but suddenly Leo couldn't stop sneezing. Now Momo got scared. Oh no, I think I broke the lion. Leo looked at Momo and said, this is not funny anymore. Momo felt sorry. I'm sorry, Leo. I won't trouble you again. Leo smiled and said, jokes are fun, but not when they hurt someone. From that day, Momo made everyone laugh, but in a kind way.